This is the Dirt Devil Power Duo Carpet and Hard Floor Cyclonic Upright Vacuum with extension rod, it cleans above the floors. You can clean ceilings and hard floors. It comes with a 2-in-1 tool for dusting. It also comes with 2 Swiffer pads. You can clean mattress, you can dust your furniture, you can clean your ceilings, you can clean just about anything. Excuse me. This is a handy vacuum to have around the house. Please keep your manual and read all the information that they give you. It comes with a year's warranty. Hope you enjoyed my presentation.